Hey, what's up, guys? I'm really happy that you're here to discover this really cool little concept. And what that concept is how the slope formula even came to be. Now, here I have 2 points. I made a line. Let's find the slope of it the way you probably know how. So, usually what you would do is you'll pick one of the points and go up to the same level as that point, and then run straight across. Or maybe you're gonna start from B and you go down and then to the left, whatever. And you count that distance. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going up, so it's a positive 4. And then starting from where you left off, you continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you go to the right 6 spaces. Positive is right is going positive, so that's it. And your slope is rise over run. Don't make a mistake. I actually made a mistake before and I had to restart the video. But the slope is rise. You rise up 4 and you run 6. And that simplifies to, if you divide both numbers by 2, 2 over 3. Now, we could do the same thing with the slope formula. All you have to do is substitute the numbers. This is your x1, y1, x2, y2. Right, and let's see how the slope formula even is part why does it work? Well, we know that the y2 minus y1 is the rise. It should give us 4, and the x2 minus x1 is a run. It should give us 6. That's the whole point. I'm gonna erase this, but you have to remember which number goes where. Now remember, we counted the distance to go from A up until the same level as point B. Now that's the difference in y's. That's the change in y's. That's why when you subtract the y's, you're taking the difference of the y's. How could we get that rise of 4, that number of 4, from using these numbers? Subtract them. All right, 5 minus 1, y2 minus y1 is 4. So what you're really doing is you're subtracting the y's. And then you're just going to do the same thing for the x's. All right, so this is y2, that's y1. You basically subtract them. 5 minus 1, y2 minus y1, over. Do the same thing for the x's. If this is your y2, then this one is your x2. This is your x1. If you started off at 2, how could you get all the way to 8? Like, how long is that? So from 2 to 8, it's really just 8 minus 2, which is 6. So that's exactly what you're doing. You're doing x2 minus x1. And there you go. You get the 4 over 6, which you could simplify to 2 over 3. So that's why we use this formula. That's how this formula came out to be. I know a lot of you just you're given this formula and that's it. But there's meaning behind these things. All right, I hope you learned something pretty cool. You could totally survive without even knowing this, but it really doesn't make sense. You should make sense of everything you do in mathematics. All right, guys. Well, I hope that you learned something, and if you think there's some way that I could have improved this video, definitely let me know, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.